Do you want to know more about the new free bonus opportunities inside the Crypto.com app called Crypto.com Rewards Plus program? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I like using the Crypto.com app and I made quite a few videos about it. And in this video I want to talk about the new Rewards Plus program that they have launched and explain exactly how it works and what benefits you can potentially get from it, so you can use it if you use the Crypto.com app and get the most out of it. So the Crypto.com Rewards Plus reward program there is a loyalty program, as you can see on the website there, to give you other bonus opportunities when you are using the Crypto.com app. As you will know if you watched any of my other Crypto.com videos before, I think it is a really user-friendly app, one I like myself and one I think is also great for beginners if you're interested in crypto. And I do like this new Rewards Plus program because it does give more opportunities. But let's first talk about who this program is currently available for before I log in and also show you around. So the Rewards Plus program at the time of recording this video is available in these countries. As you can see, it is available in quite a few countries, but not all countries yet. But as they also say here, you see, we plan to expand to more markets soon. So even if your country is not yet on this list, it might be added soon. And the thing is, once you are able to access it, you will automatically see it inside the app. And I'll show you that when we log in, where you need to keep an eye on this. But let's just quickly here go over the benefits before I show you the benefits inside the app there, just to give you an overview. And what you can get, for example, is trading rebates. So whenever you trade, you will get, a discount on the different fees there. You can get higher rewards for the Earn Plus. So like these earning opportunities it has, you can earn more there. You can get more for when you use the Crypto.com Visa card. You can get a higher cashback rate there, and you can get a higher referral bonus. So if you invite people, you can earn more by doing that. But let me now log in to the app and then we'll go over the different levels and show you exactly where you can see all this. So I have now logged into the Crypto.com app, and to see this Rewards Plus program and get an overview of it, you can go to the missions up here, or you can go to the menu there, and then you can see the missions here. It doesn't really matter which way you go to it, and sometimes the app's design changes, but whatever you need to do is to go to that mission option there, and then you can see at the top, this is where you will see if you have the Reward Plus program available. And then we can click here to see more about it. You can see there are different levels. So you will start at level 1, and you see the advantage of that here is that you will get this Earn Plus rewards. You will get more for the Crypto.com earning option there. You will get extra rewards for that. So that's a benefit of that one. You can see the quest or the requirements for that is that you need to get this freshman trader trading badge there. And if we look at the next one, you see that is still there. The next one here is this sophomore trader trading badge. So what are those? Well, if we go back here to the mission, you can see that you have these badges here, and you can click here and you can see these are the different options. So this basically means that depending on how much you have traded for inside the app there, for example here, to get the freshman trader, then it says here you need to have bought or sold at least $100 worth of crypto there. The next one there, 500, 1,000 there, and then moving up. So you can see these different ones that is one of the requirements there. There will be more requirements as you level up, but at level 2 you see that's the same there. So here we have level 3 there. There's some more requirements, like how many of these crow you need to have there. So the requirements becomes higher and higher there, as you can see. But also when we move forward, you can see if we move to the top levels, just to show you there how many levels you see. There are currently, at the time recording this video anyways, 20 levels. And then you can also get some really great benefits. You see like plus 5% yearly extra for this Earn Crypto.com there rewards. You get trading rebates, 0.5% is quite good. Extra Visa rewards, 3% there. Referral rewards, $100 there. So some quite good rewards. But of course, also you can see you need to have a lot of the crow there in your account here. You need to buy and sell a lot of crypto overall there. You need to have this one of the highest trading badges there. So there is a lot of requirements. So I would say this Rewards Plus program gives some really great benefits, some extra nice opportunities for you. But of course, you say like it's only if you use it anyways, then you will automatically level up and then you will get the benefits. So it can be good to keep an eye on sometimes if you are planning to like trade or so, because if you don't live up to the requirements anymore, then you will move down a level. So sometimes it can be worth considering, okay, should I buy, sell right now, or should I just wait a few days so it counts in the new month so I can keep the level and keep the benefits. But overall, if you're using it actively anyways, you don't really have to think about it. It's just something that can be good to go in here and keep an eye on, so you know that, okay, now I have these benefits, so make sure you also take advantage of it. For example, if you get some really nice extra rewards for the Visa card, then why not make sure that you also take advantage of that. The same with the trading rebates and everything. So personally, I think it's a really great way to keep track on your activity here and give some great extra bonus opportunities. So as you can see, there's not actually much you have to do as such to participate in the Crypto.com Rewards Plus program. It is something you will automatically just participate in when you use the app, but it can be interesting to keep an eye on there. And I do like they do this gamification. And in general with the Crypto.com app, what I like is that they keep being quite innovative and doing different things to keep us engaged, and also to give us different opportunities and different bonus opportunities, different ways to earn extra by just using the app. And this is a quite new feature as of recording this video, and therefore I wanted to talk a little bit more about it so you are aware of it. If it's not available in your country yet, then it might be available soon, so then keep an eye on it. If you're not yet a member of Crypto.com, I do have an invitation code, so you can also get potentially a joining bonus if you join through that and live up to the requirements there. To get that joining bonus, I'll leave that link below there so you can go and check that out. I will also leave a link to a playlist I have of other Crypto.com tutorials so you can learn more about the app if you want to see more aspects of it, how to earn, how to use it, and all that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.